Hey guys, so what I'm doing today, what I'm trying to do, is figure out how to tie two anchors on trees using a singular rope. And one way I saw this done was to tie an alpine butterfly which I find difficult. I find this difficult to tie. I do. Like, I think this is right. Yeah, it's right. You have two parallel lines, you have a crossed line. So the idea is that you would take the other side of this and you would then bring it over and you could create, like, maybe on this side, maybe you do a bowline, maybe you do a double bowline, like so. Okay. And then you have this anchor. Now, you can see this is like not totally equal. Now you could, I guess you could take the bowline and you could take up some slack in this bowline over here. And then you get a little more equal, but you can see there I'm out of slack. So anyway, I was thinking about this and I was thinking, well, why not just use two bowlines? Because then it'd be double adjustable and I think easier to tie. So let's forget the alpine butterfly for a second. And let's make, watch how much easier this is about to be. Let's go around like that. Let's make a double, we'll do about double bowline. Let's go wild. So we just have a really long tail here, okay? So we're making our bowline. It's going wild and crazy. And we have a double bowline. Can you see that? With a lot of tail. I think you can see that. Okay. So we take this tail and then we go around, bam. And make another bowline or a double. I'm just going to do a single bowline for now. Make another bowline. Now watch this, okay? Where it wasn't adjustable before, I could adjust this right here. You know, say like I want to go this way, then I could take in slack from that side and leave slack on the other side. Now I'm over here. Or I could adjust this bowline up here, you know? And now I'm more equalized. Is this a legitimate way to connect to two trees? Because I feel like if I was to pull on this side and this broke, I mean, that would hold over here. If I was to pull on this side and this broke, that would hold over here. But I can't find anything online about it. Anyway, would y'all let me know what you think, if this is legit or not? I'd appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye.